Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make blocks rotate in Geometry Dash. First, open the editor and select the blocks you wish to rotate. You'll find the Rotate trigger in the Triggers tab, which is essential for this effect. This method is straightforward and allows for dynamic level design. We'll cover placing the trigger, setting its parameters, and assigning group ID to your objects. Get ready to add some exciting movement to your creations. Once you've placed the Rotate trigger, tap Edit Object to configure its settings. The target group ID is crucial. It tells the trigger which blocks to affect. Next, input the degrees for how much the blocks will rotate, for example, 360 degrees for a full spin. Finally, set the time in seconds, determining how quickly the rotation occurs. A value of 1 second makes for a quick turn, while 5 seconds offers a slower, more deliberate movement. To make your blocks respond to the Rotate trigger, you must assign them a group ID. Select all the blocks you want to rotate as a single unit. Then, in the Edit Object menu, navigate to the Groups tab and give them a unique number, like Group ID 1. Remember, the target group ID in your Rotate trigger must exactly match this number. This connection is vital for the rotation to function correctly, linking your trigger to its intended targets. To elevate your rotation effects, explore the easing options within the Rotate trigger. Easing can make the rotation start or end smoothly, adding a professional touch. Consider using multiple Rotate triggers with different settings to create intricate, multi-stage rotations. For instance, one trigger could rotate blocks 90 degrees, followed by another rotating them 180 degrees. Don't hesitate to experiment with various degrees and time values to achieve unique and engaging block movements in your levels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.